Hi class, what I want to do in this video is I want to show you again how to use your graphing calculator to help you solve one of your homework problems. Now, all I want to do in this video is get the problem set up for you, and then at that point I'll let you solve the remaining parts of the question. But here's how the question works. Let's let WT be the median age in years at which women first married, and some function M of t be the median age in years at which men first married. And this is both at t years since 1990. Okay. Well, so if you look over here, I have this table, right? I have in the year 1990, it was 26.1 was the median age at which when men married, and it was 23.9 for women. And then we notice that over time, they've both gone up, okay? So the first one says, let's find regression equations of W and M, and let's use a graphing calculator to do this. Okay, so I want to find the median age at which women marry first, an equation that models that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my graphing calculator. I'm going to hit the stat button, and under number 1, I'm going to plug in some data. Okay, L1 gets the independent variable, which is the year here. So you got to be careful. It's years since 1990. So 1990 is 0 years, 1994 is 4 years, 1996 is 6 years, 1998 is 8 years, 2000 is 10 years since 1990. So we're going to put women, the age, median age at which they marry, so corresponding 23.9, 24.5, 24.8, 25, and then 25.1. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do to find a quadratic equation for this, I'm going to hit stat. I'm going to go over to calc. You want number 5, quadratic regression. So what you're going to look here is you're going to look and see, are there corresponding equation down here that matches this? Well, the value of A is negative 0.0064. I got it right there. B is 0.1868. Well, that's pretty close right there. And 23.891. Boom, right there. So I'm going to hit B. I got it. Now do the same thing for men. So you're going to go back in your equation. You're going to go stat. Under number 1, you're going to edit the list. And you're going to clear out L2, okay, because you want now to put in the median age for men, which is 26.1, 26.7, 27.1, and then it goes down to 26.7, and then 26.8. Okay. So the next thing it asks is you to find a quadratic regression equation here. So just make sure you have the values plugged in correctly. You're going to hit stat. Under calc, you want number 5. And then you're going to look to see where things match. All right, negative 0.0174. Okay, that's all these. 0.2384. I see that right there. And then 26.098. See that right there for B. And I'm going to check my answer. Fantastic. Okay, so let me just kind of help you get the next one going. Predict when the median age or ages of women and men will marry. The first marry will be equal if ever. So to do this, actually what you want to do is you want to take your two equations that you just found and go to the y equals button. You want to plug them in. So it was negative 0.0064 variable squared plus 0.1869 variable. Oh, shoot, sorry. Going up here, I hit enter on accident. Plus 0.1869 variable plus 23.891. That's for women. And then you can do the same thing for men. Negative 0.0174 variable squared plus 0.2384 variable plus 26.098. All right, then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to hit zoom. And let's just start with zoom standard 6. Now you're going to notice that you don't see the graph, so hit zoom and then zoom out, and then you're going to start seeing the graphs. Okay. You see they're going to intersect here and here. That's when they're equal. So to figure out where they intersect, you're going to hit second function and then calc here. You want intersect, number 5. So it's going to say first curve, just hit enter. Second curve, hit enter. And then it's going to ask you to guess. You're going to scroll over till you get close to the point you want. And then you're going to hit enter. And then it's going to tell you, okay, what the intersection point is. Okay. So if you scroll down, it asks you when this will happen. Well, if you look at your graph, it's telling you that'll happen when x is equal to 16.69. So that's roughly 17 years. Okay. So 17 years since 1990. Well, that's the year 2007. So we got it. So you can use your graphing calculator to show the models. Well, I just did, and you can see that the graph here, if you next hit zoom, let me quit out of that. If you just see where this is, you can see that there's a top graph that overlays and then a second graph that overlays. And that's very much like part B here, or part C here. Sorry, I messed up a little bit there. They were both curving down. And you got it. All right, so just follow along here, and best of luck. And if you have any questions, let me know.